Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming a makeup tutorial for you guys on this look right here. It's very bold and bright and I think it's perfect for the spring and the warm weather coming up. So if you guys are interested, please keep watching. So first thing, I went in with my Kate Somerville Glow Moisturizer already. That's this one. And next I'm just going to be spraying my face with the Urban Decay B6 Vitamin Infused Complexion Prep Spray. So this is redness reducing, pore minimizing, and oil absorbing. Next, I'm going to go in with my concealer all over my lids for the base for my eyeshadow. And the concealer that I'm using is Makeup Forever Full Cover Concealer. I believe it's number 7. So I'm going to set that concealer with this shade in the Anastasia Contour Kit. So I'm going to be using two palettes today. I'm going to use the Urban Decay Full Spectrum and the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. And I'm going to start off building the crease with an orange shade, and I'm going to go in with Jones in the Urban Decay Full Spectrum. I'm going to go in with my MAC 224. I'm going to place that right in the crease. I'm going to then go in with C's. It's this kind of orangey shade right here. Basically just going to build up that orange transition shade. And I'm going to bring it forward all the way into the inner corner of my eye. And it's okay if it's a little bit messy because we're going to cut it after anyways. Next, I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette, and I'm going to go in with this shade right over here. And I'm going to kind of go over that a little bit and deepen the orange. Going to then take a smaller kind of dense brush, and I'm going to add a little bit more of that orange in the outer corner. And then I'm going to push that color up. Go back to that MAC brush and just kind of blend out all the edges. So next I'm going to take this kind of red shade over here in the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm going to place that in the outer corners of my eyes. And then I'm going to push that color up as well. Go back to that MAC brush and kind of blend upwards. Get rid of any rough edges. So the next thing I'm going to do is go back to that concealer, and we're going to cut the crease at the front over here. So I'm going to take a flat brush like this one, and I'm going to go in with that concealer and we're going to cut it. I'm gonna then go back in with this brush that we had the red on, and I'm just gonna kind of push it back in. So now that we cut this crease, I'm gonna set it with the shade Bump in the Urban Decay palette. It's this white shade right over here. go back in with that same brush that we had the red on and just kind of blend it. We're going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Next, I'm gonna go back in with this orangey shade in the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm just gonna go back over that crease. Next, as usual, I'm going to go in with my Tarte Tarteist eyeliner just to do some winged eyeliner. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is fill in my brows, and I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow in Granite along with the Anastasia 7B brush. So next I'm going to go in with some mascara right before my lashes. I'm going to use the Lancome Hypnose. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is start off with my base, and I'm going to go in with my Benefit Porefessional primer. I'm going to put that just right on my cheeks. And we're not done with the eyes. I'm just going to do my face first and concealer and whatnot, and then I'm going to do the lower lash line afterwards. Next, I'm going to go in with my new NARS foundation. This one is the shade Fiji. Next, I'm going to do some concealer, and I'm going to go back to that Makeup Forever concealer that I used earlier for the under eyes. Now I'm just going to go in with my Laura Mercier Translucent, and I'm going to bake a little bit actually. So while we're letting that sit, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Contour Kit. I'm going to take this shade right over here to contour. We're going to wipe off that powder. For blush, I'm going to go in with my Milani Cosmetics Luminoso. And to finish off for the under eyes, I'm going to go back to my Huda Beauty palette, and I'm going to actually go in with this yellow shade right over here. I'm going to take that with a pencil brush, and I'm going to just align my lash line. Then I'm going to take that orange shade again, and I'm going to kind of go over that so it fades out into the yellow almost. Next, I'm going to go back to my mascara, and I'm just going to do some bottom lash mascara and a little bit on the lashes. For lips, I'm going to line my lips using the Huda Beauty Lip Contour in Trendsetter, and then I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty Liquid Lipstick in Bombshell. I'm going to actually go over the lipstick slightly with Creme de Nude by MAC. So I also went ahead and added a little bit of liner in my waterline, just because I like the way that it looks a little bit better. And the last thing I'm going to do is add some highlighter. The highlighter that I'm using is actually Becca Champagne Pop. I'm going to also take a little bit of that and add it to the inner corner of my eye. So this is the final result. It's very bold, it's very different. I really love it. I think it's perfect for the warm weather coming up with spring and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you did enjoy it, please like it, subscribe, and share it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!